Welcome to day 234 at the St. Clair County EMA office, joined with Chairman Mark Kern. And welcome back, Sam, from the Health Department.
Thank you. Happy to be back.
Yeah,
I did watch the briefing every day though while I was out, but I saw it every day.
Good.
So as of today, 118,443 St. Clair County residents have been tested, which is an increase of 771 from yesterday. We are at 9,500 positive test results, which is an increase of 69 from yesterday. And that does include both males and females from under the age of 1 up to their 80s. And today, St. Clair County's positivity rate is 8.9%. We are at 108,943 positive test results. Unfortunately, we are announcing an additional death today, which does bring our total for our county to 225. That was a man in his 70s who had unknown health conditions, and as always, our sympathies go out to his family. For those who have completed the IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we are at 8,538. For state totals, 7,867,421 have been tested, with 423,502 positive test results, which is an increase of 6,222 from yesterday. For deaths, the state is reporting 9,819, which is an increase of 20 from yesterday. Hospitalization numbers for St. Clair County. Currently, we have 52 individuals that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 6 of them are on ventilators. And regionally, we have 104 individuals that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 14 of them are on ventilators. We have no new updates for our congregate living facilities today. We do have some testing this week that's going to be going on Wednesday, November 4th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Millstadt Liederkranz Park. And then on Sunday, November 8th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at McHenry University at 400 North Alton Street. And before I turn it over to Chairman Kern, today at the Health Department, and I believe several other departments received this as well, but we received a very sweet letter that I know was sent out to the entire Health Department. And when we read this, it put a smile on our faces. And it was certainly just that little, boost that we needed to get through, another Monday of COVID. So it says, "Dear St. Clair County Health Department, hi, my name is Anthony. I would like to say thank you for doing all of the hard work during this difficult time. I pray for all of the nurses in St. Clair County and the doctors that are battling COVID-19. I am forever grateful to hear is my thanks to you. So please stay safe, and thank you, nurses and doctors in the county. Sincerely, Anthony." So that was a great way that we were able to start off our morning. And thank you, Anthony. We certainly appreciate your kind words.
That was nice.
Yes. So now I will turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thanks, Sam. Good to have you back.
Thank you.
We'll move into the zip code report. 62059 up to today to 21. 62201 up to 298. 62203 up 1 to 292. 62204 up 1 to 176. 62205 up 8 to 260. 62207 up 4 to 289. 62208 up 5 to 557. 62220 up 2 to 701. 62221 up 4 to 870. 62223 up 4 to 584. 62225 up 1 to 42. 62226 up 4 to 1011. 62232 up 2 to 256. 62239 up 2 to 144. 62240 up 2 to 50. 62243 up 4 to 151. 62258 up 1 to 2,667. 62260 up 1 to 186. 62264 up 1 to 117. 62269 up 6 to 759. 62285, up 3 to 164. So we'll move into the county's positivity today. 69 tested, or 69 new positives with 771 tested, means a daily county positivity of 8.9%, 7-day rolling average of 8.5%. So once again, we're headed upward. We need to be below 6.5%, so let's try to get there. And that, I have a correction on zip code 62258. I knew it sounded funny. It's actually 267 up 1. So 62258 is not at 2,667. It's 267 up 1. Regional county positivity, this is the state's number that they have us at today. And once again, it goes up now to 9.7%. That's derived by the fact that Bond County is the lowest today, 6.5%. Clinton County, 10.2%. Madison County, 12.8%. Monroe County, 17%. Randolph County, 12%. St. Clair comes in at 7.6%. And Washington County at 8.6%. So we keep an eye on the other counties as well as ourselves. We've got to do better. So remember, wearing the mask, washing the hands, and watching the social distance is a big part of getting these numbers back where we need to be, so the county can be reopened, that everything can be at least as open as we can hope at this time. Herb?
Well, and you said it right, Chairman, that regional positivity is creeping up 9.7 today and definitely going in the wrong direction. So we got to work on that. But I want to welcome Anthony to Team St. Clair. That was a nice letter that he sent out. And we get reports like that periodically from Team St. Clair members, but it's always good to have a new person join in there. So kudos to the health department and to those doctors and nurses and all of our first responders. We can't say enough of them out there for 234 days. They've been on the front lines, and we think that our job has been tough in here, but the men and women out there on the front lines going to take care of these patients, I'll tell you that, and then they got to go home to their families, and the worry doesn't stop when they get off work. Some of the doctors that we've had on here, the paramedics, the nurses, talking about how they have to go home and disrobe in a separate room, and so that continues on. So keep them in your thoughts and prayers also. 225 county residents have passed away. Terrible, terrible time at any time of a death, but with the holidays coming up, there's 225 citizens that aren't going to be sitting around the Thanksgiving tables and the Christmas holidays, and across the state, 9,819 deaths statewide, and those numbers keep going up. Another 20 deaths in the state today, countrywide, way up high.
The student in Franklin County just breaks your heart when you saw that on TV this morning. It's just this is an awful thing. This virus is deadly, and it breaks your heart when you see things.
Well, and then when you see, comments out there, people saying, well, yeah, but it's got a 99.6% survival rate. If it's not 100% survival rate, I really don't want to hear about that. I mean, one death is too many, and now we're seeing this young man over in Missouri, and today alone, under 40 years of age, we had 29 cases. And we've been monitoring that last week, and we see that number continue to go up.
We had 5 under 10 years old today.
Yeah, so keep that in mind when you're sitting around talking about it, because that seems to be the topic of conversation, has been for at least 234 days. COVID, I'm sure if your families are like most of us, you can't escape it. It's on every TV channel, every news outlet. But just think about that. The younger ages, when this thing first started, everybody thought, well, it was just attacking the long-term health care facilities. But now it is attacking the younger population. So as the chairman said, the 3 W's is the best defense that we have for this. It's been told scientifically, stated by the physicians that's been on here. And as I've said before, there's 100 different reasons, 100 different opinions out there. But here in St. Clair County, we are listening to the CDC guidelines, and we are going to follow what the physicians that have came on here, the Dr. Bottomans and people like that, who are the men and women that are in the know, that are out there on the front line. That's who we're going to follow, and we're going to follow them till we get this thing stopped, or at least get a vaccine out there, and then we can all get back to whatever the new normal is going to be. But right now, we're going to come back with Cindy and Daisy to translate this into our Spanish communities, and we'll be back here tomorrow afternoon with some more numbers for you. Have a good evening.
Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs, TikTok, Grubhub, Twinks, Jocks, Bears, Cubs. Zoom is the new club. 6 feet, no hugs, still beat these mugs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs.
Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs.
No school, gym closed. Don't touch these clothes. Need food, this blows. Line at Trader Joe's. At home, gym, fish. Don't come close. Just wave, wave, blow a kiss. Mask for mask, sis. Left, right, swiping on Tinder. What was life like? I can't remember. Needing my haircut, somebody shave her. Where is all of the toilet paper?
Gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs.
Okay, dolls, y'all know what time it is. Come on, stay inside and lock the door. Stay inside and